Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about latest Polestar news, also some very big news about Gores Guggenheim, the SPAC that is doing the reverse merger with Polestar. We have heard from a very important person from Polestar, courtesy of one of my viewers. I did just want to give a shout out to Stephen from Toronto, Canada, for providing me a very important email. I did want to share pieces of that with you. And also, this stock is starting to have some nice upward movement. We are going to be talking about these and more. Before we get down into it and get started, if you can, give me that big thumbs up. It'll share my videos around YouTube. It'll really help me with that algorithm. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can get all my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others. I'd really appreciate it. Also, I do have very nice free promotion to get you a free Lucid stock down below. Using that link to Moomoo will give you a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, I can also get you up to $17,500 in free stocks. Stay to the end of this video and I'll explain how to get those free stocks. Now, without further ado, I did just want to talk about the latest news on Polestar. We have heard that battery supply chain are a big problem right now, but Volvo and Polestar are working together to solve this problem. So far, we have heard from an article from The Driven that Swedish car company Volvo and a battery giant by the name of Northvolt are going to be partnering up together and making a Gigafactory in Sweden to mass produce batteries for only the Polestar and Volvo vehicles. So we do know that Polestar is going to be mass producing and has been mass producing its vehicles. Currently, just last year alone, they made 29,000 vehicles of their Polestar 2 and they delivered all of them. They did meet that huge goal. This year, they have set a brand new goal to make 65,000 electric vehicles delivered around the world. So one of the best things about Polestar is that it does deliver its vehicles all around the world. The only other vehicle that does this is Tesla. So they are going to be mass producing. This company is going to be huge. So that being said, we have very nice news about when this merger will be. So right now, Polestar is not on the stock market as its own entity. They are going to be having a reverse merger with a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company by the name of Gores Guggenheim. So right now you can buy this stock, GGPI, which is Gores Guggenheim, which will be converted over to Polestar once this merger happens. Now the ticker of Polestar will be PSNY. And I did want to give you some very nice, important information from one of my viewers. And I did just want to share this email. I will blot his name out, but this is courtesy of Stephen from Toronto, Canada. Thank you so much, Stephen, for sharing this information with me and our community. This letter was written to Stephen, and it is from the public relations of Polestar by the name of Mr. Flint. Bohanna Flint, which is the head investor relations of Polestar that is based in England, United Kingdom. So what he has said in this email, and I'll just paraphrase, Stephen had a great question about the date, the exact date when the merger of GGPI, Gores Guggenheim, and Polestar will be happening. And so far from what we have known, and this is directly from Polestar, the Polestar rep says, we are bound by the de-SPAC process, and as soon as we are able to announce the exact date of the general meeting, which is the precursor of a successful listing, we will do so. A few things need to happen before then, mainly the completion of the SEC F4 form. It is expected to be complete in the first half of the year 2022. So the first half of 2022 can be all the way up until about June, July. So we still have some time, but definitely the process is working. So again, thank you so much for sharing that with us, Stephen from Toronto, Canada. I would like to give you a second shout out. So they are in the process of doing this. We just have to sit and wait. But as soon as information is available, we will know. I do think that is going to be a huge catalyst for this stock moving forward. And I did just want to show you and share with you how this stock is doing. The special purpose acquisition company, Gores Guggenheim, has the ticker, as I mentioned, GGPI, that will be converted to Polestar. So if you buy this stock right now, later after the merger, it will be converted. All your shares will automatically be converted to Polestar. But as you can see today, just in regular trading hours, we had a little bit bump up. We actually went up by 2.3%, but look at what happened after hours. We actually went up after hours from its low today, almost 7% up just in today alone. That's huge momentum, huge movement upside on GGPI stock. In the past 5 days, we have seen that upward movement, a little bit of a trend going up, but you could see this huge pop that we did see in after hours. I do think that big things are going to start happening with GGPI, with Gores Guggenheim. This is one of my sleeping giant stocks. I do believe that this stock, in my own opinion, should have a very nice price of about $16, $18 in my opinion. I definitely think that once the merger happens, this stock can easily go past $20. Again, these are my opinions only. Now, in the past 1 month, we are actually down 6.15%, with a high of $11.75 at the beginning of January. But if you compare this to other electric vehicle companies that are trading, this is actually not that bad of a drop, not that bad of a hit that GGPI took. If you compare it to, let's say, Lucid Motors has actually been down over 30% down. A lot of these stocks have been hugely discounted, huge drops in its stock price in 1 month, dropping 6%. It's not that big of a deal because, again, we are at the bottom of this stock. I do believe that this stock still has not found really big room to run. It only did it once, and let me go back 6 months. We only had that big run up once. That was from November 10th all the way to then November 16th. Now, November 10th is a very important day in the EV market, in EV news. You might remember that for Rivian did have its IPO on that date. I do believe that a lot of catalyst for all EV stocks happened on that day because just Rivian alone went up and skyrocketed on that day. I do think that a lot of these other companies followed suit, but just in one day, this stock went up 43, almost 44% just in a matter of 6 days from November 10th to November 16th. But since then, we have had a cool off, a huge cool off of 33%. And that is since November 16th till now. So we are starting to see a little bit of movement. But if you look at the big picture on this stock, we are actually at the bottom. We are actually trading at the bottom of this stock. In my own opinion, I don't think that we have much more room to go down on this stock until we start seeing the merger date, until we start seeing that date of the special purpose acquisition company Gores Guggenheim reverse merger date. I believe that this stock is still sleeping. I do think that it will have a huge upward movement once that date is announced. But again, thank you, Stephen, for that great information. But again, this is one of the best plays. I think that is very undervalued. I do think that this stock has huge room to run. But I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something new. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Join the community. We'd love to have you here. Hit the notification bell so you can get all my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, share this page with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow this channel and take advantage of that huge opportunity down below. If you click on that link, it'll take you to this Moomoo page right here. You can click right here to get some free stocks. Moomoo will give you one guaranteed free stock of LCID Lucid stock right now valued at $28. But in addition to this, they will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. That is a potential to get $17,500 in free stocks. Now, in addition to this, use the link down below to Webull. Open an account, put in any amount of money. You will get a chance of 3 free stocks, each valued up to $2,300. Amazing, amazing amount of money that you can get on free stocks. Take advantage of these huge opportunities. And again, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one.